Welcome back to another episode of Just Gardens. We've got an excavation job on at the moment. We can't get a digger down here, so we've bucket and spade in it all. We've done a fair bit already. We think we may have uncovered an old what is it called? Air raid shelter. So yeah, let us know what you think. It's got to be dug out at the base level there, all the way along this edge, around here. So that wall there, so we've got to take all that out. We've already started here. Can't get a digger in because it's just enclosed. So we pile the rubbish up the top there, buckets and spades. Buckets go up the ladders. Got to get all this up. There's the boulders that are going to be used for a stone wall that we've dug out. That's an old root. That has come out of the ground as well. That was over there, just near the shed. These have come out. Started it a long time ago, but I wasn't doing YouTube at the time. So we're just playing catch up. More rocks up there that we've dug out. They're going to be used for wall. So I'll just take it back now to how it was before. We had to cut all the budliers down. So this is loppers and bow saw job. Just a quick one to get this budlier down. Get it all cleared out the way, ready to dig. Bit of an over-exaggeration noise from the brother there. So we think that section to the right there is an old air raid shelter, where that wall is. So just to the right of that, the entrance has been filled in with rubble and stuff. So as we go deeper, and in part 2, we'll uncover a bit more of it. Apologies for the dogs barking every time someone walked past them. They were there barking away. Just chipping away at the earth here, straight into the buckets, and then the buckets that then go up to the top. There's the air raid shelter there, just where my dad's legs are. We are going to take more of it down, so we will see what is going on there and see if it is what we think it is. All the excess rubble and soil that came down before has to come up, so it's coming up on our conveyor belt that we put together, and the bucket's there at the top ready for the digger to come over the wall and collect up what it can.
Roping the buckets are, we must be mad, really. No one else was going to take this job on, so it keeps us going through the winter. So this is the grabber coming over the wall on an arm as much as it can. It's been here about 3 or 4 times now. I picked and saw that we took the top there, but it'll be coming a lot more, I expect. Join us for part 2 coming soon. If you like the video, subscribe, like and comment below. And yeah, see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.